This one is an old Royal. The price is actually still written on the top here. I picked it up for $9.98. I don't remember which thrift store I bought this from. I buy all my typewriters from thrift stores. I don't, except for the one I found on the street in San Francisco and another one I bought at a typewriter shop. All of these typewriters I'm going to show you I purchased at thrift stores for like 10 or 20 bucks. This one I've never actually used, but I'm looking at it now and wow, it's in solid shape. This one works good. Platinum is still, let's see how the, oh, it's missing the 1 key, that's why. So I can't do 1 or exclamation. I didn't notice that until just now. This is missing this key. But 2 works. 3. And this, I guess it needs to come up. Yeah, when it's low, it needs to come up. Yeah, it's kind of slow catching the action here. Yeah, this one's a little sloppy and it needs a new ribbon. I've never used this one for any kind of writing. I just picked it up because I thought it was cool. I didn't realize the 1 key was missing. So I'll probably just keep it as a collectible, I guess.